So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn how to work with an image. So basically in Win32 API we can use some of the images type only. So in this video we will learn how to use the bitmap image. So for that you have to use a static control. So I have basically created a static control in the static text box and a button with the window handler h stat and h button. Okay, window handler. And next thing which I did is I created one more a function that is void ins image, in which we will insert the function of the image, and I have assigned two window handler for the image, which is h bitmap and h bitmap with the h button img, h stat img. So now we are going to set the image to the button. Now we have to copy. No, first we will set the image to the static control. Since we are setting the image to the static control, it's obvious that you have to use the handler which you are going to set. And the next thing, give two parentheses. Inside that write h bitmap, and now we'll use a function that is load image. I think no, yeah. So the load image function, and the first thing means the first parameter is the edge instance. Since we are not using the edge instance here, so we have to keep it null. And the next parameter is the name, which is actually the file address. So my image is in the same folder in which my main.cpp is. So I suggest you to keep your image in the same folder because it will be better. Or if you have any other image in any other folder, you have to write off the whole address to make that image appear on the screen. So my image name is img1.bmp is my image name. And the next thing is the u in type, means the type will be the image bitmap. And next are the dimensions of our image. So since the dimensions of the h stat here is 100 and 100, we will set same dimensions only. If you write 0 as the both of the dimensions, your real size of the image will be displayed. If it's 1360 pixel, it will be displayed on whole screen. So it's better you choose the same dimensions of your static control. And the last is the u in the fu load, means it tells that what is the method of the loading the image. So since we are loading from the file, we are going to use lr load from file. And now after doing this, we have to go down here in the case wm create. I've also loaded the function which is ins image, which contains this. And now if you don't know how to create a static control and all those things, you can watch my previous videos. I have also explained that. So here we have to write send message w, which is also function. Oops. So the first thing is the window handler in which you want to set the image. So it's obvious that you have to set the image in the stat. And next is the uint, means the message you want to pass in the stat. So we are the message is that we have to set the image in the stat. So we will use stm set image. And the next thing is the w parameter, which will be I guess image bitmap only. Yeah, so image bitmap. And the last thing is the L parameter. And for the L parameter, first you have to give the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis you have to write L param. And the next will be the window handler in which you have set the image, which in our case which is stat image. So we'll copy that, paste it here, and give a semicolon. And I also forgot to tell you one thing, that I have also changed the style of the window, the style of the static text box. I've changed it to SS bitmap. Okay, so you have to also change this. If you don't change it, it will show a list of errors. So let's try to run it. I hope this will run. So as you can see that the image is working perfectly, and it has displayed in a very good size. If you want to increase, you have to increase the both sizes of the stat control also, and the stat image also. And now we are going to set the image to the button. For that, select this, copy this, because it is the same thing, paste it here. And what we have to change is only the handler. Button image. And the next thing is we will copy this. Yeah, it's little bit means almost the same process of displaying image in a static text box and a button, but you have to change some parameters like this. It's obvious that you have to change this h button. And the next thing is that in the second parameter, it will not be stm, it will be bm. And the last, we have to change it in here in this send message is this. It is also very obvious that our image is in another h H button image, and in H button window handler we have to change it. As BITMAP. So I forgot one thing, that here I'm changing the image. I have two images, so let's try to run it. I hope there's no error. So it's running as I know. It's working perfectly. See, the button is also getting clicked. So this was how you can work with the file, set an static image and image to the button. So I will also upload a video on which how to convert a JPG image or PNG image to bitmap. So if you are using the Windows, you can easily convert that image. So please watch that video also if you don't know how to convert it easily in the Windows. So till then, please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up to this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.